I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to your Payoneer app can be a straightforward process if you follow these steps. Step 1. Open the Payoneer app. Launch the Payoneer app on your mobile device and log into your account. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any interruptions during the process. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Once logged in, tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner. From there, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Payment Methods. In the Settings menu, look for the Payment Methods section. This is where you can manage your linked accounts, including adding a new credit card. Step 4. Add your credit card information. Tap on Add New Card and fill in your credit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check for any typos, as an incorrect number can lead to errors. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your card information, review it for accuracy and then tap Confirm or Save. You should receive a notification confirming that your card has been added successfully. If you don't see this, check for any error messages. I hope this helps you get your credit card added smoothly. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Payoneer support for assistance.